Hello everyone, this is Hassan from the product team at RepairDesk. I'm back again with another exciting update. This time we are now supporting variant syncing across Shopify. As you probably know, we recently introduced variants in our products and now we support syncing them in your Shopify store. I'll quickly demo that. This is an iPhone 17 product. We can see that this product is created in both in our Shopify store and in our RepairDesk inventory, and it is syncing, but it does not have variants right now, and there are no variants in Shopify as well. Let's see how that will work. Let's create some variants first. Let's go with colors, select black and red, add those, and select condition, add a new and used. Let's create variants, and now we've also added some limitations since Shopify limits how many variants you can create and how many attributes you can use to create variants. Let's do next, create variants. You can quickly update details if you want, and let's hit proceed. These 4 variants have been created in our RepairDesk, and let's see, and hopefully it should sync in a while. Let's go back and open this, and as you can see, 4 iPhone variants have been created in this product, and it's using the same attributes and the same combination of those attributes. I can open an individual variant here, edit the details. All of these details, the attribute values, the details will be added, and if you have added an image to the variant, it will sync also. The stock will sync, the price will sync. You can manage your variants in RepairDesk as well. I can open a variant and I can update its details, and those details will sync across Shopify as well. And as far as your current integration is concerned, all of the current controls of your Shopify are still available. Now these toggles include variants, so if you want to toggle off a product syncing, it will stop syncing variants as well. And you can manage syncing of your product by base product, or you can manage if you want to sync an individual variant or not. For example, I want to sync 3 of my variants, but I don't want to sync the 4th one. I can simply turn it off, and it should not sync this variant from now on. So that's a quick update. I hope you find value in this, and please give us feedback if there's anything missing or if you like to see anything else as well. Thank you.